Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video continues with the step-by-step process of making coffee jelly, along with tips, variations and serving ideas. Cool, wiggly and coffee-flavored, coffee jelly looks like something from a fancy cafe, but takes only a few pantry ingredients. Imagine little glassy cubes of coffee that jiggle on your spoon, then melt into sweet, creamy goodness. In simple terms, coffee jelly is a sweet coffee-flavored gelatin dessert. It is usually served cold, cut into cubes, and topped with cream, milk, or ice cream. It is very popular in Japan, and it has become trendy online thanks to anime scenes, TikTok videos, and Instagram photos. The good news, you can make it at home with basic coffee, sugar, and gelatin. This guide walks you through what coffee jelly tastes like, how to make a simple version, and some fun ways to serve it for dessert or snacks. What is coffee jelly and why people love it? Coffee jelly takes the flavor of your favorite iced coffee and turns it into a light, bouncy dessert. It is less intense than a hot espresso and softer than a solid pudding. Many people enjoy it as a chilled treat when they want something sweet but not heavy. Because it looks so pretty in a glass, it gives off a cafe vibe with almost no effort. You can keep it simple, in neat cubes with a splash of cream, or dress it up with layers, toppings, and sauces. It is also easy to adjust for different tastes, from very sweet to just barely sweet. A simple explanation of coffee jelly. Coffee jelly is basically sweet coffee that has been set with gelatin. The result is a cool, jiggly dessert that you can cut into cubes or scoop into cups. It is usually served cold, with milk, cream, or ice cream poured over the top. The coffee flavor is gentle, not as strong or bitter as a regular cup of black coffee. Think of the taste of an iced latte or coffee milk rather than a sharp espresso shot. The texture is similar to Jell-O or other fruit gelatin desserts, so it is easy to picture even if you have never tried it. Where coffee jelly comes from and how it became trendy. Coffee jelly has strong roots in Japan. You can find it in cafes, family restaurants, and convenience stores, often in clear cups with whipped cream on top. Some places sell it already layered with cream so you can eat it with a spoon straight from the container. It has also popped up in anime and manga scenes, which made fans curious about the dessert. Later, food bloggers and social media creators started sharing colorful coffee jelly recipes, pouring it into fancy glasses and pairing it with ice cream. Those videos helped spread coffee jelly to home kitchens around the world. What coffee jelly tastes like and who will enjoy it? Coffee jelly tastes cool, lightly sweet, and a little creamy once you add milk or ice cream. The coffee flavor is smooth and mellow. It does not punch you with bitterness, so even people who dislike strong black coffee often enjoy it. The texture is soft, wobbly, and fun to eat. If you like iced coffee, lattes, fraps, or desserts like tiramisu and coffee ice cream, coffee jelly will probably make you happy. You can brew stronger coffee for a bold flavor or use more sugar for a dessert that tastes like a sweetened iced latte. How to make easy coffee jelly at home. You do not need special tools to make coffee jelly at home. A pot, a bowl, some coffee, and gelatin are enough. Once you understand the steps, it becomes a low-effort dessert you can whip up the night before guests arrive. Basic ingredients you need for classic coffee jelly. For a simple batch of coffee jelly, you will need brewed coffee. Strong hot coffee gives the best flavor. You can use espresso, strong drip coffee, or instant coffee dissolved in hot water. Gelatin. Plain powdered gelatin makes the coffee set into that wobbly jelly texture. Sugar. Regular granulated sugar works well and is easy to control. Water. A bit of cool water helps the gelatin bloom before you mix it into the hot coffee. You can add a splash of vanilla extract for a soft dessert flavor, or a tiny pinch of salt to make the coffee taste deeper and rounder. Step by step, how to make coffee jelly that sets perfectly. Brew strong coffee. Make a pot of strong coffee or mix hot water with instant coffee granules. Aim for coffee that tastes a bit stronger than you would normally drink, since the sugar and cream will soften the flavor. This part completes the guide with make-ahead tips and creative ways to serve coffee jelly for snacks or desserts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.